If for whatever reason you want to delete your booking.com account, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your booking.com account. So once you sign in, click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to account at the top. You'll see my account. So click on that. Now scroll down towards the middle, you'll find the manage account section. You can simply click on the security settings from here, and under this section, the last option, you will see four options here. The last one is to delete your account permanently. So from here, guys, just simply click on the delete account button here towards the left, towards the lower right, and you will see the option where it says, why do you want to delete your account? It says, I get too many emails from booking. If you choose that option, it's going to say, okay, unsubscribe. If you say basically, I want to use a different email address, you can just do that, and it's going to give you the option to edit your email address. But if you want to delete your account, go ahead and choose the option that says, I want to remove all my data. It's going to basically say if you have any feedback that you want to share, and they'll be more than happy to help you fix those and improve their services. Just feel free to write whatever, or just leave it blank and click on delete account. And that's going to go ahead and allow you to delete your account permanently on Booking.